story decades strong, the flames burning bright. In kitchens of passion we chase the light. From Hyderabad's heart to the world stage, KAI writes history on every page. 5 records raised like a chef's gold crown, a symphony of flavors renowned without bound. World records 5, our flavors take flight. 10,000 voices crafting day and night. A legacy seasoned with skill and pride. Culinary Academy, the world's guide. Alumni rise while the spices bloom. From Paris to Tokyo they break every mold. Hands on the knives, mind sharp and bold. Recipes of triumphant stories retold. No imitation can match this flame. In every dish we carve our name. From farm to plate, the journey's clear. CAI's mastery year after year. World record 5, our flavors take flight. 10,000 voices crafting day and night. A legacy seasoned with skill and pride. Culinary Academy, the world's guide.